Hello students, today we'll talk about was and were. We use was and were in the past tense. Was is used with singular nouns and pronouns. Were is used with plural nouns and pronouns. Singular pronouns are I, he, she, it, and plural pronouns are we, they. Okay? And we use were with you, whatever you is in singular form or plural form. Let's see the question. Read the sentences and put in was or were. Now we have to fill up these blanks with was or were. I dash dressed as a lion. I was dressed as a lion. You dash in the truck. You were in the truck. He dash swimming in the pool. He was swimming in the pool. They dash doctors. They were doctors. It dash sleeping. It was sleeping. We dash having fun. We were having fun. Next, I dash a shape. I was a shape. Next, the monkey dash eating a banana. Here you can see monkey is a singular noun. So we write here was. Okay. The monkey was eating a banana. The boys dash reading. The boys were reading. Boys, it is a common noun and it is in plural form. So we write here were. Mary dash going to shop. Mary is a singular noun. So we write here was. Mary was going to the shop. For more information, you can join our Telegram channel. And don't forget to like our Facebook and Instagram pages. And please subscribe our YouTube channel.